every person who is arrested should be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest. Preventive detention measures cannot be beyond 3 months. In case it is beyond 3 months, a board has to review the detention. Article 22 also provides certain protection against arrested detention to the citizen. One implication of this is that every person who is arrested should be produced before a magistrate within 24 hours of the arrest. However, this does not apply when an arrest is effected through procedure established by law. What is this procedure established by law? If a person has to be arrested, the arresting officers have to gather evidence, and after collecting the evidence, they have to present the evidence before a magistrate, and who would, if satisfied, issue a arrest warrant for the arrest of the individual. Otherwise, he would issue a search warrant for searching the premises of the individual and collecting the evidence sufficient enough for arresting that person. If this procedure is followed, then it is not necessary that the arrested person should be presented before the magistrate within 24 hours. On the other hand, if a preventive detention mode is applied, a person is arrested even without the knowledge of the magistrate or the judiciary, then it becomes necessary that within 24 hours of the arrest, that person has to be produced before the magistrate for legalizing his confinement. This confinement under preventive detention measures cannot be beyond 3 months. In case it is beyond 3 months, a board has to review the detention, and if it is satisfied, the detention can be extended. However, the detention of a person, even under preventive detention, cannot be uncertain or forever. There has to be a fixed time frame for the detention of the individual, even under preventive detention mode.